Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins on Pocket FM. So as you can see, I got 982,000 coins. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's super easy. So basically what you want to do, guys, is go to this site. It's called Zoomods, and let me just show you guys. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website called tweakgpt.com. And this is like an AI website. So as you can see, it says discover modified apps. So once you're here, guys, just go to the search bar and you just want to type in Pocket FM. So let's just type in Pocket, and as you can see, it says Pocket FM mod. So basically it says link for Pocket FM mod. Here's how it goes: Zoomods. So once we're on Zoomods, we're going to go to the search bar and type in Pocket FM. And as you can see, it should come right up. So let's see if it works. And there it is. So peace out, guys. Hope you enjoyed. That's how you get the Pocket FM mod. So it's pretty crazy, if you ask me. So as you can see, I got tons of coins right there. So this is super awesome. And it's totally updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. And it fully works. So as you can see, I got so much. It's insane. Look at that. What the heck? So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, all you got to do is just go to this Zoomod site. And you just want to type in Pocket FM. So when you do that, you're going to be good to go. So I'll see you guys later. Subscribe and peace out. This is super awesome. It's totally updated and everything. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel and peace out, guys. This is super cool, fully works, and yeah, peace out, my gang.